So, you want to know how to solve things for a circle? Maybe you have a test or something in school. Well, there are a couple of things you should know before starting this or watching this. Number one is the radius. The radius is a line going from one side of the circle to the center. For example, here, the radius is 10 inches. Now, the diameter is the entire line filled up, this whole thing. So the radius is half of the diameter. Now, to find the circumference, the easiest formula for you will be C, circumference, equals 2 times r, the radius, times pi. Now, in this example, we're looking for the circumference for this circle, which has a radius of 10 inches and a diameter of 20 inches. Now, if you were to look, now I know the numbers are already here, but if you were to look in a calculator, what you should be doing is this: 2 times pi, or 3.14, times 10. The answer you will get will be 62.83. Try to round to the nearest hundredth. That is very important. Now, to find the area of a circle, what you have to do, the easiest formula for you to do, is pi times whatever, pi times pi r squared. That's the easiest formula for you to find the area of a circle. So what you have to do is first find the radius, in which this case is 10. You have to find the second power of it. Now it will be 10 to the second power. That would be 100. 10 to the second power is 100. Now we have to multiply 100 by pi, 3.14, and we get 314 inches. Now, let's do some questions or some problems that we have here. A stadium floor that is in the shape of a circle has a diameter with a length of 50 yards. What is the area of the circle on the stadium floor? Now, it's asking for the area, and they provided us with the diameter. Remember, the diameter is the line across a circle. So the radius would be 25. 25 yards will be the radius of that circle in the stadium floor. Now, to find the area, what we have to do is find the second power of 25 and then multiply it by pi. As we see here, 25 to the second power is 600. 25 to the second power is 625. Now, we need to multiply that by pi. Which gives us 1963.50 or 0.5. Here it is, 1963.50. Now, let's look at the other problem. A flower bed surrounds the base of a tree. It is a it is enclosed by stone to form a circle that measures 25.12 feet around. What is the radius? Now they're asking for the radius of the circle. They gave us the area. They gave us form a circle that measures around. They give us a circumference. Remember the formula to find a circumference is C equals 2 r times 5. Now, in this case, we have to do the opposite. Now we have 25.12 r divided by 2 times pi. Now, this is very important. You must multiply 2 and pi before you divide by your radius. Now, if we multiply these two, it will give us about 6 point something pi times 2. It will give us 6.28 or 6.30. So, after we get that 6.20 or 6.30, we just have to divide that. You have to divide 25.12 by 6.28. Now, 25.12 divided by 6.20 6.28. That gives us 4. So that means the circumference, remember the circumference is around the circle, is 4 feet. I would gladly go more in depth in this topic, but I lack time. So this is it. Alright, I hope to make more videos that will not only entertain but also help people. So if you don't mind, you could probably subscribe if you want to get more content like this, helpful and entertaining.